Hello, Taurus. Welcome back to Cadabra Alchemy, where we have alchemy for your mind and magic for your heart. This is your reading for the next several days. Take this information as it applies. So, Taurus, let me just mute this real quick. Even better. What I'm feeling, Taurus, thinking about you guys, feeling your energy for those Tauruses that are connected to the channel, some bit of energetic heaviness, as well as some of you all feeling like you're stuck or you're blocked or there's a heavy obstacle in your way. It may be feeling challenging right now for you. You may be frustrated or feeling some type of tension when it comes to finding a solution to your obstacles, your challenges. All right, you may be dealing with someone that's trying to block you. Some of you all may be dealing with a situation where someone's obsessed with spending time with you, wanting your energy, always wanting to be in your aura or be in your presence. Someone that like a vampire. There's someone that wants to keep soaking up all of your energy as much as possible. You may be resisting unhealthy connections right now. You may be noticing toxic behavior from people like you've never noticed before. And that may lead you into wanting to run from them, hide even, maybe place yourself in hermit mode. You may be realizing that some of the connections or people that are trying to tap into you are time wasters, someone that's sent to waste your time or distract you from what's very important right now. I already mentioned blocking. There's also someone here that could be abusing their spiritual gifts. This could be you or someone connected to you. And that could just mean that they are using their gifts to not bring forth higher consciousness for themselves or the collective or people that's connected to them. And how they're choosing to use their gifts is for maybe just for their gain. And it ends up causing some type of harm to themselves and people connected to them. Some of you Tauruses may be experiencing some type of scarcity illusions or scarcity tactics where your current situation in the 3D may look or feel like you don't have enough. Some of you all may be ignoring a calling, a purpose, or actually ignoring a phone call. You may be keeping your phone on do not disturb simply because you're um, possibly feeling like people are really just trying to be in your energy and just soak up as much of your energy as they can. Someone's ego is definitely bruised, possibly by you running away from this connection, not wanting to just communicate, not wanting to be bothered with people's ego, okay? You're realizing people in their wolf's clothing, realizing the wolves in sheep's clothing. There we go. Coming into clarity, recognizing that some people's smiles are actually fake smiles and are actually pretenders. They're showing up as their fake ass representative, that type of thing. Okay. What messages do you have for Taurus, please? What messages do you have for Taurus? What messages do you have for Taurus, please? Thank you so very much. I'm hearing help is on the way. Help is on the way. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate, Taurus. You need to pace yourself with the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive, okay? These people that you are turning away from could possibly be sensing a new beginning in your life or in one end. They could be sensing that you're on the come up. They could be sensing that good things are, positive. Right. They could be sensing positive changes on the way to you, and they want access to that, okay? Bigger and better things are coming in for you, Taurus. You're being asked to just trust and relax. Trust and relax. What messages do you have for Taurus, please? What messages do you have for Taurus? Thank you so much, Spirit. We have your hard work is paying off, your dedication, your commitment, your consistency, your discipline will be paying off. If you have not seen the fruits, we're in the harvest season. It's Virgo season. We're in the harvest season, Taurus. Okay. That's why you're okay. So you went from hard work to now Spirit telling you to relax. And it's because it's harvest season. It's harvest season. Show the world the real you. Okay. Uh, Aquarius got this too. You may have Aquarius in your chart, or you need to check which house you have Aquarius in your natal chart. The real you, and I just mentioned the fake representative. So Taurus, if you have been leaning more into people pleasing, which is a form of manipulation, whether intentional or not, you're being asked, okay, so with this, um, you also need to study your Pluto. If you have Libra, Aries, Capricorn, cardinal signs, if you have cardinal signs in your Pluto, then from now until November 19th or 20th, you are being challenged to show up as your most authentic self. And balance spirituality with practicality. See, this is what I mean by when I'm talking about the hard work versus when it's time to rest and relax. You have to be aware of when it's time to put in the work and when it's time to relax and let spirit take over, which is practicing practicality and spirituality. Okay? Ooh, it's up. I love it. All right. What else do you have in store for Taurus? What messages do you have for Taurus, please? What messages do you have for Taurus? You're a lot further than what you think, Taurus. You're a lot further than what you think. Some of you deal with self criticism, always feeling like there's something to correct. It's almost like Virgo energy. Like there's something to correct, like girl, the art of perfection. Is it enough? Is it done? Could it be better? 18, 8, and 25 are the numbers that I pulled. There's a child here. So you may be asked to surrender to your inner child at this moment to help you relax and rest. You may be asked to have some playful moments. Okay, play Uno. Okay, um, I see Candyland. Candyland. Uno. What's the S? Show me the S. Dang it, I see it. I just don't know the name of it. It's an old school game. Uh, I see the game, I just don't see the name. Anyways, so, do things that release happy times, laughter into your life. It's a, see, there's that false person. Here's the false person with the fake smile. It's time to do a cut and clearing in your life's almost said Scorpio. In your life, Taurus. You may be dealing with a Scorpio. But it is time to do some clearing in your life, Taurus. It is time to get rid of these. But this is also you. You also have to check yourself to make sure you don't have any fake and phony energy lingering in you as well, because it's time for you to fully, authentically present yourself to the world. Yeah. And then you have high honor. Every time I see this card, I think about I think about your reputation, the quality of your reputation increasing. That's what I think about. Let's see. So you have 25, which is high honor. It's a very positive card. It literally means trophies, medals, honor, success, promotion, a raise, graduating with honors. I told you all that. Where are you at? I told you all that you guys have some positive changes coming in. You guys have some really good positive things coming in. And this fake and phony ass person is hoping to be around when you reap your harvest. And what is keeping this fake and phony person around is you now needing to go within and clear out any stagnant energy within you. And you're going to do that by tapping into your inner child. Your inner child knows. Your inner child knows the deep, dark parts of you. They know the ghosts of you, the dark, hidden sides of you. And that's why you're being asked to connect with your inner child right now, to rest in the 3D and tap into your inner child. Your inner child also knows your fears, okay? So that's why you're being asked to tap. This is a chessboard. So maybe play some chess. Maybe play some chess. You know what else I get? That it's chess, not checkers, with this fake ass person. See, they think that they underestimate you. They underestimate your mentalism. They underestimate your acuity. Acuity? I don't know if is that a word? Acuity, mental agility. They underestimate your mental agility, okay? And they take your love for them for granted. And that's why Spirit is pointing out to me this chessboard. Because it's chess, not checkers. You're going to come up with a strategy to get rid of this person. But not only that, it's almost like you're going to create a Trojan's horse type of thing, where you're going to find out where all of the fake persons are. Who are all the fake people? All right, moving on. Let's get some tarot on the board here. What's the surrounding energy for Taurus right now, please? For the Tauruses that are connected to my channel. If this message has thus far been beneficial, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. What messages do you have for Taurus, please? I am also available for personal readings. There is a link to my calendar in the description box. I would definitely love to read for you as well. Absolutely. What messages do you have for Taurus? Yeah, you need to place yourself in timeout. You need to let go and accept your life for what it is right now, because there is something. See, there's someone here that wants to cling on to you and doesn't want to let go. They do not want to accept that they're part of your past. And that could also be you not wanting to accept that this person, this fake ass person with the number 8 on it, and we are in the year of the 8, infinity, okay? Lingering around waiting for your infinite abundance to appear. I'm also hearing grab bag, grab dash, grab and dash. The visual that I'm getting is when thieves go into a store and they grab as much as they can and then they dash out the door. This is what this person is lingering around for. They're waiting for your infinite abundance to arrive so they can grab it and dash. And the way to get rid of this person is to go into hangman energy, which is surrendering to what has happened, surrendering to the past and letting go, and coming into spiritual alignment about the connections that you have and if they're beneficial or not. Right now, before your full harvest comes in, you need to do a clean sweep of all the people connected to you. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else for Tauruses? The Star card. Your faith has been tested like never before. You possibly may be feeling like you are in despair. Again, that scarcity tactic. Where is it at? Where are you? Yep. It's an illusion, Taurus. It's an illusion. You're not in lack. You're about to reap your harvest. Tell me more about the star in reverse, please. Tell me more about the star in reverse. Also, if you're feeling thoughts or feelings of despair or lack of faith, that is also what upholds the illusion of these fake people that you think are really for you. That's why it's important to rest right now so that you can see what is an illusion and you can see what's real. Thank you so much. I'm telling you, you got the Five of Pentacles in reverse. You're coming out of lack. You're not going into lack. You're not staying in lack. The Five of Pentacles in reverse is recovery from poverty, whether that's spiritual poverty, financial poverty. Okay, you're coming out of it. This is the real reality. This is the new timeline. Is you recovering, not you staying in poverty. That's the illusion. And you can't pull the illusion down until you realize, okay, no. It's you. This feeling of you being in disappointment, lack of faith, despair, feeling like you don't have, feeling insecure about your finances, feeling insecure about your housing situation, feeling discouraged. If you are feeling discouraged, that is what's keeping you from seeing what's really happening in your world. One more, please. Ooh, did y'all see that? And it's upright. See, I told you, Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords comes to you to provide clarity and understanding because for whatever reason, something has been causing you to have this illusion that you don't have when you actually do. You actually do have more. The Ace of Swords is about success, breakthroughs, harvest that's coming in, mental clarity, new ideas, a sharp mind. Someone's time is up once you start to capitalize. I don't know if that's the right word. Once you start to work with your sharp mind, and you need to have a sharp mind in order to play chess. Yes, yes. Page of Wands. Taking inspired action. If this message resonates with you, then you need to take inspired action. You need to take inspired action with everything that I have suggested to you in this reading, okay? Thanks so much for tapping into Cadaver. Until next time, Taurus, take care of yourselves. Bye.